Do it again. Okay. Now look, turn around and say, "This is Kaylee jumping off Grandmama's chair." Okay, ready? Set, go! Uh-oh. That's Kaylee falling off of Grandmama's chair. Okay, hop back up. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay, we ready? This is Kaylee jumping off of Grandmama's chair. Go! Huh? Well, jump first and then Grandmama will hold you. Ready? Go! Woo! Good job! Now you want Grandmama to hold you? No? Huh? You want to see what? You want to see what? Blitter, blitter. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Alright, smile and wave bye. Look, smile. Okay. And wave bye-bye. Turn around. Look at the camera. Smile and wave bye. Bye. Say see you later.
I'd do anything to keep my job.